okay. Yes, man, Miss Bev. Yes, man. So you say celebrating country tonight? Miss Bev, Miss Bev, Miss Bev, calm down, Miss Bev, Miss Bev, calm down. Remember you're old, you can't get too wet. Okay. Tonight? Okay, Miss Bev. How many times we telling the children not to touch the loading board? Who take up the loading board? Dalton.
Tell her not to take you up. Tell her.
Oh, shut up. No one hear nothing from no. Dalton, talk to you. If Miss Bev never did a phone link with you, then you can't always strength. Now, strength, Miss Bev is my grandson, Miss Bev. I'll be telling you that. What the fuck? That is some old ass thing. I want to hear a nice take them talk, okay? Miami, I love you, darling.
Yes, Grandpa.
Okay, I want to watch them for me, okay?
Yes, Grandpa.
Biggs.
Yeah.
Yeah, food in the mouth, you don't eat it.
You know that now. What are they doing?
Biggs.
What do you do?
I think we'll be there. No, my grandson.
Yeah.
Shut up.
Yo, come on, tired. Come on, tired. Remember tree which my grandpa tell me. Yo, come on, tired.
Miss Bev. Jesus Christ, I'm gonna tell them, no, come on, Daddy.
Just see about you, how kind of nice. Yeah, nice. How are you going? But now I'm concentrate. That means that. Alright, gonna stay in there. I know what to do. Now cut grass for you. I'm going to run a sell. Yeah? I'm a new year gift this. I'm fat now sell it.
Yo, make sure to subscribe, you know. Make sure to like the video, you know. Man.